Let's divide 338 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a super fun math adventure. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 338, which is 3. We need to see how many times 2 fits into 3. 2 goes into 3 one time, so we write 1 in the quotient. Now let's multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. We write 2 under the 3. Time to subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit 3 to join the remainder 1. We're on to our next step. Look at the new number we have, 13. We bring down the next digit from 338, which is 3, to make 13. How many times does 2 fit into 13? It's 6 times. Write 6 in the quotient. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. Write 12 under 13. Subtracting 12 from 13 gives us 1. That's our remainder. You're rocking this, so close to the end. Get ready for the final step. Bring down the last digit 8. Here we are at the final step. Our number is now 18. We brought down the last digit, 8, to join the remainder 1, making it 18. How many times does 2 go into 18? It's exactly 9 times. Write 9 in the quotient. Let's check with multiplication. 9 times 2 is 18. Perfect. Subtract 18 from 18. We get 0, no remainder this time. Hooray, you did it, that's the best. We've reached the end of our division. The final answer is right above. So, 338 divided by 2 is 169. Great job, everyone! We just conquered dividing 338 by 2, step by step. Remember, every big problem can be solved by breaking it down into smaller, manageable pieces. Keep practicing, and you'll be a long division superstar. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining bright. See you next time for more math fun on Let's Stud.